Hi everyone! For today's video, I will be showing you how to make salmon avocado sushi roll in a different style. First, you need bamboo mat that is wrapped with a cling film already, sushi nori sheet, rice of course, avocado, and thin slices of salmon. Grab your sushi mat and your nori sheet and put them on top of the chopping board, and then spread the rice all over it, just like this. After you're done, flip it and start slicing the avocado. Gently scoop the slices, put them in the middle, and start rolling it using the bamboo mat. Oops. Make sure to drag it down to the bottom before you roll it. Also, make sure to press it properly, but not too strong though. Just a bit of pressure. Then put the salmon on top of the roll. Put the cling film on top of it and use the bamboo mat to press it again. Cut the ugly sides of it. When you feel that the rice is sticking to your knife, just spray oil on it and it will be good. Then cut it into 4 pieces. And there you have your salmon avocado sushi with spice mayo on top. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.